If you're ready for more, follow Faith and I. Take your left arm up and over, stretch. Good, full deep breaths in and out through your nose. Keep turning the chest open, making sure the knee doesn't cave. As you sink into the stretch, maintain that evenness through your sides. Make sure you're not hyperextending or locking that left knee. Breathe smooth and deep in and out through your nose. Your arms up and over. If you need a little bend in the knees, that's okay. But mostly I want you to work your legs towards straight and shift forward in your feet, but also hugging the belly back, okay? So the belly should lift off the thighs and then sink lower. Maybe lean forward a little bit more. Again, no need to look up. Sink into those heels. Good job. Fold forward, drop the head. Excellent work. If your fingers don't get down, remember you can always follow release and put your hands on the blocks. Slide your hands up to your shins. Glance forward, take a nice deep breath. Good, then step your left leg all the way backward. Left leg, step it back. Come all the way up to crescent pose. I want you to reach your arms up and stretch. Good, so maybe a modification might be not going down quite as deep, but see if you can sink into it. Keep lengthening. Nice. Downward facing dog. Lift your hips up and back. Remember, in downward dog, you can always keep a soft bend to your knees if you need to. Just really press your hips back further and further.